To set video home screen wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy A57, you can for sure do this, but first of all you will have to go to the Google Play Store and you have to download an application that will allow you to do this. For example, I can recommend you this one because it's free, you don't have to pay for it, but sometimes you will get some pop-up ads when you are using this application. When you open this for the first time, you have to accept all of those things that are necessary. And now go for a video wallpapers and you can input any phrase that you are looking for, or you can just pick something from this recommendation. So for example, if I want to get like this kind of the wallpaper or something like this, I can just tap on this downloading button and now I can use credits or I have to watch ad. So in this case, I'm going to use this credit because I got something. I'm not sure how I get it, but I've got it. And I can just set this, I can get a preview, I have to click to set a wallpaper and select home screen, lock screen on, for example, both screens. So for me, I want to only get this on my home screen. Now if I'm gonna go back, then wallpaper is not showing for some reason, but to let it fix, we can just simply turn off the screen, turn it on back, or we can just simply go to the application and set this one more time. So sometimes this problem appears, but don't worry because we can easily fix it. So go for it one more time, open that application, go for MyZedge. If you already download this, you don't have to watch this ad anymore. So let's do this, let's set this. There we go. Now click to set a wallpaper, select a home screen one more time. And now I believe that wallpaper was updated. Yeah, there we go. As you can see now, we just got it on our smartphone.